Starting a travel agency might sound like a big step, but with the right guidance and a bit of passion, it can be a rewarding path. Today, let's explore the steps to kickstart your own travel agency. First off, think about your niche. Are you drawn to luxury trips, budget-friendly options, or maybe adventure travel? Picking a niche helps you stand out and attract the right customers. It's like choosing your favorite dish to cook. You want to be the best at it. Next, you'll need a solid business plan. This doesn't have to be a daunting task. Just outline your goals, the services you plan to offer, and how you'll reach your audience. Keep it simple and clear. This plan is your roadmap, guiding you through the twists and turns of business life. Now let's chat about the legal stuff you're going to need to register your travel agency. This is where legalregistration.com can really help you out. Branding is another key part of setting up your agency. Your brand is more than just a logo or a catchy name. It's about the story you tell and the promise you make to your customers. Think about what makes your agency unique and let that shine through in your branding efforts. Don't forget about getting the right technology in place. There are tons of tools and software designed to help travel agents manage bookings, itineraries, and customer service. These tools can save you time and make your life a whole lot easier. Networking is crucial. Connect with other travel agents, join industry groups, and attend conferences if you can. Building relationships in the travel world can open doors and give you insights you might not find anywhere else. Marketing your agency is the fun part. Use social media, create a website, and maybe even start a blog to share travel tips and stories. Engage with your audience and make sure they see your passion for travel. Word of mouth is powerful, especially when you're genuinely excited about what you do. Finally, always aim to provide excellent customer service. Happy clients come back and they bring friends. Listen to their needs. Go the extra mile, and you'll build a reputation that keeps your business thriving. Starting a travel agency is not just about selling trips. It's about crafting unforgettable experiences for your clients. With the right planning and passion, you'll not only help people explore new places, but also create lifelong memories for them. Your agency's success will depend on your ability to connect with clients, understand their needs, and deliver exceptional travel experiences that keep them coming back. So, there you have it. With some planning and enthusiasm, you're on your way to running a successful travel agency. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And remember, for all your business needs, legalregistration.com is just a click or call away. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Happy travels!